Hey, Ashley, this is Mark, your manager. I want to say thanks for coming in late. You're really all I got for the night shift right now, so I'm very grateful for you. Anyways, to remind you again, don't let people steal. Try not to take anything for yourself unless it's a little thing here and there, and just ignore weird people and conflict. I'm still working on getting security cameras out there. Thank you again. I'll see you in the morning.
I guess I'll start the night by restocking. Looks like I got my first customer of the night. Never mind, I guess they left. Seems they left a note on top of the barrel, though.